Hello dear traders, we are glad to greet you on the InstaForex TV channel. In our weekly link up, we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. Technical analyst Peter Yakimovic will give us his expert advice. US President Donald Trump propped up the battered US currency, saying that he welcomes a strong dollar. In response to his remarks, traders decided to lock in some short positions on the US dollar. Nevertheless, the euro-dollar pair closed in the green for the second week in a row. Hi Peter, could you please share your short-term outlook for the most popular currency pair?
Hello there traders. I'm expecting an upward price on the euro versus US dollar. Basically, what I found according to a daily time frame is a strong upward momentum, as I alerted you in my previous forecast. So this idea is doing good, and I'm still expecting the bullish price on the euro versus US dollar. What I found basically is there is a broken 5 days trading range, and this is a very good continuational pattern. And my advice is absolutely watch for buying opportunities on the dips on this currency pair. The price is also trading above free displaced moving average above 21, so very strong momentum. And watch for buying opportunities with the target set at the price of 1.2770, because this is a Fibonacci expansion 161.8%, and this is actually a very good area where we can take your profit and scale your position. So watch for buying opportunities on the dips with a target set at the price of 1.2770.
Let's analyze the situation with the other European asset, the pound sterling. It has been also a strong performer against the US dollar this trading week. What do you expect from the pound-dollar pair in the near future?
On the British pound versus US dollar, I found a very similar situation like on the euro versus US dollar. Basically, what I found there is a strong upward momentum. The price is absolutely trading higher. There's a strong demand on the market. The free displaced moving average is acting like support. And I found also stochastic is, there is a bullish cross there on the stochastic oscillator. So my advice to watch for buying this with an upward target set at the price of 1.4440 and the second take profit level at the price of 1.4725. So again, watch for buying opportunities on the dips with a first target at 1.4440.
Remarkably, the US dollar was losing ground across the board for the whole trading week. The dollar-yen pair has been also trapped in the bearish trend. Do you foresee any changes in this currency pair?
I'm expecting global price on the USD versus Japanese yen. Basically, what I found is again broken bearish pennant formation, and I alerted you about this in my previous forecast. And this idea is going very good. Now, the next downward target, since the price broke the Fibonacci expansion 100%, which was the first target. Now, the next target is basically the Fibonacci expansion 161.8%, and this is the basically level around 107.50. So this is a very critical support and also a very good level for your take profits of your, let's say, selling positions. So again, watch for selling opportunities on the rallies, and the key support and key potential take profit level on the short-term perspective is at the price of 107.50.
I suggest discussing the USD CAD pair. Like most major currencies, the Canadian dollar is advancing against the US dollar. Do you think the loonie will be able to keep momentum for long?
On the USD versus Canadian dollar, what I found basically is confirmed bearish pennant pattern, and this is a very good continuational pattern since in the background what I found is a strong downward trend. My advice is absolutely watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair and watch for potential targets at 1.2235, which is the Fibonacci 61.8%. And then if the price breaks this level, absolutely watch for second downward target at the price of 1.2080, which is actually a key support based on the price action in the background and also based on the Fibonacci expansion since there is a 100% Fibonacci expansion around the 1.2080. So again, watch for selling opportunities with our first target, set the price of 1.2235.
Thank you, Peter, for your valuable recommendations. See you next Friday. You have watched the weekly link up on InstaForex TV. This edition was presented by me, Kate Stihina, and Petar Jakimovic, a technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We hope your trading will benefit from our recommendations. Don't miss our link up next week.